We have here a 4G trail cam. I have it set up right now, but out of the box, fairly easy to install. It does come with an app that you can download on iOS or Android. Some of the features it has, if you can see here, it does have a battery indicator. It has a status for your 4G network and a Wi-Fi status as well. One of the nice features it has is it does have rechargeable batteries. So this solar panel here, when installed, will charge those batteries. You don't have to worry about running out in the woods to change out batteries. It does have an antenna here on the back side. That is not removable, but it is helpful for connectivity. Right now I have it installed on a tree. It does come with mounting brackets, so you can put it on an outbuilding, side of a house, commercial building in town, really anywhere you need a camera that has 4G access.